using the mix option. You can mix color, or you can mix opacity, or you can mix both color and opacity of transfer functions from set 2, 3 and apply it. This video shows how to modify color and opacity of the first volume using the mix option. You can mix color, or you can mix opacity, or you can mix both color and opacity of transfer functions from set 2, 3 and apply it to set 1, 2 or 3 and apply it to set 0. Basically apply transfer functions from that affect volumes 1, 2 and 3 and apply those effects onto volume 0. So first let's load two volumes. Volume 1 is the link data and volume 2 say vorticity. So we have now loaded two volumes. Let me just toggle empty space skipping. So now we have loaded two volumes. First one is link data here, and the second one is vorticity. Second one is the vorticity. Okay, so now let's move to the high-res window. Press F2 and we move to high-res window. So here we have two volumes and two transfer functions here. These are plotted in a normal fashion where the two transfer functions are combined and we get this image. Now if you want to affect, say, the color of this transfer function, the transfer function in set 0, which affects volume 0, let's just paint it as a black and white image. So this is a black and white image. Now if you want to modulate the color, just tinge this image with the transfer function from set 1, which is basically coloring volume 1. Then you press space bar and give mix color. So that will tinge the volume 0 image with colors from transfer function set 1, or the ones that are affect volume 1. Now you won't see any image if we turn off this volume 0, which is not the case if we turn off the mixing, which is no mixing, which is the normal combination of the two data sets. So these are just composited. So let's give mix. Now instead of mix color, we can also give mix opacity, and that will affect the image by changing the opacity based on the opacity of this transfer function. Now in this case the color doesn't affect the first image generated by transfer functions from set 0. But now you see that in this case, vorticity, where the vorticity is very high, the opacity is higher, and where we have low vorticity, the opacity is 0. So what we are looking at are the regions with higher vorticity, and in this case the regions with low vorticity. Now instead of just mixing color or mixing opacity, we can also mix color and opacity. To do that, let's give mix color and opacity. And that way we can also look at high vorticity region and low vorticity regions. So that's how we can mix color or opacity or both. And to switch off, we just give mix and we'll back to normal way of mixing colors.